In this video, we will configure another remote access or client VPN solution using Ipsec Vpn instead of SSL VPN. So Ipsec Vpn works similar to tunnel mode in SSL VPN, but it uses different ports related to Ipsec and there is no web mode. Now, we will use the web portal to download the VPN client program that is needed for connecting. To configure client Ipsec, make sure that VPN services is enabled and go to the tunnel list page that we're on right now. And this will show our site VPN configuration to a Cisco router, which we completed in a separate video. How we configure the site VPN will be similar to how we will set up the client VPN. So here we will create new. The template that we will use will be dial-up for the client for Windows, Mac, or Android. Let's enter a name for this new VPN profile. And let's say next. For the authentication, the client VPN sessions will be terminated on the WAN-facing interface. Let's select that. We will use a pre-shared key, and let's enter a password that must be entered on our client once it is installed. Okay, and let's go ahead and hide these characters here. And for the user group, our client VPN users will be able to authenticate if they are a member of the staff Active Directory group in our domain. And let's say next. All right, so here for policy and routing, the local interface will be our LAN-facing interface. The local address, we will select our group for the user and server networks, which will be allowed to be accessed by our clients. Next, we need to define the pool or the range of IP addresses that will be handed out to our clients once they have connected. Okay, and the mask will be the host address mask consisting of 32 bits. Now for the DNS, our VPN clients will use the DNS that our FortiGate is using. We will also on this page disable allow endpoint registration because we will cover that in a later video. Next, we'll go ahead and enable split tunneling. And we will select the group listing our user and server networks. So this will define what networks our client VPN users can access once the VPN is established. Very similar to SSL VPN. Now let's go ahead and say next. And here on the last page for client options, we can specify default options such as saving the user password, which is not recommended. And other options include having the client automatically connect for the user and always be active. So we will leave these options alone as we do not want to have unattended use of the VPN by clients on our network. So we'll go ahead and unselect that and say create. And this here will show a quick summary of basically what has been set up automatically. We can view the details of this new profile that we created. Okay, and this will show the detail that has been configured for us based on the template that we selected during the wizard. Okay, so let's now go to the policies page, and very similar to the site VPN, this will show the policy that was created based on that wizard configuration, which is reflected right here.